गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपित्थजम्बूफलसारभक्षितं उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्। नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्। Namami, I do my salutations. To whom I am going to do my salutations? Vigneshwara Pada Pankajam. Pada means the feet. The Pankajam means it is compared like a lotus. So the feet of the Vigneshwara is compared like a lotus. So Namami, I do my salutation to the lotus feet of Vigneshwara. Vigneshwara is also having the different names, Ganesha or Vinayaka. There are many other names. So who is this Vigneshwara? Gajananam, whose face looks like a Gaja. Gaja means elephant, one who is having an elephant face. Gajananam. And what else? Bhuta Ghanadi Sevitham. Bhuta Ghanadi Sevitham. The Ganas, the attendants of the Shiva, all these people are worshipping the Ganesha. So Ganesha is served by Bhuta Ghanadis. And what else? Kapita Jambu Palasara Bhakshitam. What is the meaning of the kapita? So kapita is a wood apple. The jambu pala, kapita jambu pala means it is a wood apple. And you can also say rose apple or tree. This rose apple is called, or wood apple is called kapita jambu. Then comes palasara. Sara means the essence. Palasara means the essence of the fruit. Which fruit? Kapita jambu. So bhakshitam, that which has been eaten. So Ganapati, this Vigneshwara, likes the fruit of Kapita jambu, the wood apple, and he likes to eat the essence of that particular fruit here. About the Vigneshwara, Uma Sutham. He is the son of the Uma. Uma means Mother Parvati. He is the beloved son for the Mother Parvati. And what else he will do? Shoka Binasha Karanam. He is the remover of our shoka, our grief. Shoka means like the destruction of sorrow. Shoka Vinasha, the destruction of the sorrow. Karanam. Karanam means is the cause to remove our sorrow. So that Vinayaka, that Vigneshwara, I am doing my salutations. Namami. So Namami Vigneshwara Pada Pankajam. Who is that Vigneshwara? Who is having the head like an elephant, Gajananam, and both the Ganadi Sevitam is served by the attendees of the Lord Shiva, and Kapita Jambu Palasara Bhakshitam, one who eats the fruit of the wood apple, which represents the samsara. Samsara means the birth and death cycle, and is a beloved son of Mother Parvati, Uma Sutam, and he is the one who can remove the sorrow from us, the shoka, the sorrow, vinasha, the destroyer. So Lord Vigneshwara is the cause to destroy all our sorrow. That Vinayaka, I am doing my namaskara, my salutations. Next shloka. Shadhananam kumkumaraktavarnam Mahamatim Divyamayuravahanam Rudrasya sunum surasainyanatham guham sadaham sharanam prapadye. Sharanam prapadye. Sharanam means I surrender myself. Sharanam, surrender. Prapadye, I surrender myself. Sada aham, all the time, always I surrender myself. To whom? Guham. Guha means the Lord Guha. The Lord Guha. This Guha is a one more name of the Subramanyam. Lord Subramanya. Subramanya is also having one more name, Lord Kartikeya, Lord Murugan. These are the different names of the Subramanya, Murugan and Guha. So Guham Sada Aham Sharanam Prapadye. I surrender myself all the time to the Kartikeya, the Murugan, the Guha. Who is he? Shadananam Kumkuma Rakta Varnam. Shadananam means one who has the 6 faces. So Subramanya Swami, the Lord Subramanya Kartikeya, is having the 6 faces. And Kumkuma Rakta Varnam. What is the color complexion of the Subramanya? Kumkuma, the red color. Rakta means blood. The Varnam means color. The Subramanya, the Kartikeyas, the color complexion is the blood color, the red blood color. And Mahamatim, he is the supreme intellect. Mati means intellect. Mahamati means the great intellect. The Subramanya Swami is having the so intellect. And Divya Mayura Vahanam is having a vehicle that is Mayura. Mayura means a peacock. It is a celestial Mayura. That is a Vahanam. That is a vehicle for the Lord Subramanya. And Rudrasya Sunum. He is the son of the Rudra. Rudra means Shiva. Lord Shiva's other name is called Rudra. Rudrasya Sunum. He is the son of the Lord Shiva. Sura Sainya Natham. Natham means here leader. He is the leader for whom? Sura Sainya. Sura means Devatas. Sainya means the army. The Sura Sainya means the army of the gods. Or you can take the army of the celestial beings. He is the leader for the army of the celestial beings. That means Lord Subramanya is the chief commander in charge of the celestial beings army. The next prayer. Ya kundendu tusharahara davala Ya Shubravastravruta Ya Veena Varadandamandithakara Ya Shweta Padmasana Ya Brahmachuta Shankara Prabhutibhihi Devai Sadha Pujita Samam Patu Saraswati Bhagavati Nishesha Jadyapaha. My salutations to Mother Saraswati. The Mother Saraswati represents the goddess of knowledge. Ya Kundendu Tushara Hara Dhavala Ya Shubra Vastravruta, who is pure white like jasmine, with the coolness of moon, the brightness of snow, and shine like the garland of pearls, and who is covered with the pure white garments. या वीणा वरदंड मंडितकरा या श्वेत पद्मासना. या वीणा वरदंड मंडितकरा, whose hands are adorned with veena. Veena means a instrument, ancient Indian instrument. And the boon, giving wealth, and who is seated on a pure white lotus, Shweta Padmasana. You can see into the picture, Mother Saraswati is sitting on a pure white lotus in the Padmasana. In the one hand, she is playing the instrument of the music, and other hand, she is always ready to give the boons to us. So ya Brahmachyuta Shankara Prabhutibihi Devai Sada Pujita. Mother Saraswati, who is always adored by Lord Brahma, Lord Achyuta. Achyuta means here Lord Vishnu and Lord Shankara and other devas, other gods and goddesses. Ya Brahma means Lord Brahma, Achyuta Lord Vishnu, Shankara Lord Shankara, Prabhutibihi means and many other gods. Prabhutibihi Devaihi, all other gods and goddesses, Sada Pujita, always worships. Samam Patu Saraswati Bhagavati Nishesha Jadyapaha. O Mother Goddess Saraswati, please protect me and remove my ignorance completely. Samam Patu Saraswati. Oh Mother Saraswati, please protect me all the time. Hey Bhagavati, oh Mother Saraswati, Nishesha Jadyapaha. Please remove my ignorance completely. Om Namah Shivaya Gurave Satchidanandamurtaye Nishprapanchaya Shantaya Sri Shivanandaya Te Namaha. Sri Vishnu Devanandaya Te Namaha. Om Namah Shivaya Gurave Satchidanandamurtaye. Namah Shivaya Gurave. My salutations to the Guru. Who is that Guru? The Shiva in the form of teacher is teaching to us. So when the Lord Shiva is teaching to us in the form of a Guru, he is also called Dakshina Murti. Hence, you can see the picture here, Dakshina Murti, who is representing the Shiva in the form of a Guru. What kind of Guru? Satchit Ananda Murtaye is the existence, consciousness, bliss. Sat Chit Ananda. This Guru, the Shiva, is going to teach us about Satchit Ananda, which is my own nature. Nishprapanchaya Shantaya. Nishprapanchaya Shantaya, who is an embodiment of Ananda, who is free from manifoldness. Nishprapanchaya. Prapancha means the world. Nishprapancha means he is free from the prapancha. Here prapancha means like a samsara. He is free from the any bondages. He is free from the likes and dislikes. And Shantaya is all the time tranquil, in a peace, Shanti, Shanti. That Guru, I am doing my salutations. And who are our masters? Sri Shivanandaya Te Namaha. Our master Guru Shivanandaya Te Namaha. My salutations to the Sri Guru Shivananda. And my salutations to the Sri Vishnu Devanandaya Te Namaha. My salutations to the Master Vishnu Devananda. Om Sarvamangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadike Sharanye Trayambake Gauri Narayani Namostute Narayani Namostute Namostute. My salutations. To whom I am doing my salutations? Narayani. The salutations to you, O Mother Narayani. Who is this Mother Narayani? Sarva Mangala Mangalye. Sarva means all. Mangala means auspiciousness. Mangalye means the giver of auspiciousness. So Sarva Mangala Mangalye. Auspiciousness in all the auspicious. And Mother herself is an auspiciousness. Shive Sarvartha Sadike. The complete with all the auspicious attributes. And who fulfills all the objectives of the devotees. Purusharthas, Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. Sharanye Trayambake Gauri Narayani Namostute. Sharanye, I refuse. Into whom? Trayambake Gauri. Trayambake, one who is having the 3 eyes. And the Gauri. The Gauri is one more name of the Narayani. So, Narayani Namostute. So, Om Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadike Sharanye Trayambake Gauri Narayani Namostute Narayani Namostute. Namaha Astu Te. My salutations to you. To whom? Narayani. The mother Narayani. She is also called Durga. She is also called Parvati. There are many names for the mother. So I am doing my salutations to the Mother Narayani. Who is she? Sarva Mangala Mangalye, one who gives all the time auspiciousness to us. Shive, also one of the meaning, auspiciousness. Sarvartha Sadike, for all the time. Mother gives the auspiciousness to us. So I refuse myself, Sharanye, Trayambake, Gauri, one who is having the 3 eyes, who is also called Gauri, other name of the Narayani. So Narayani Namostute, Narayani Namostute. I do my salutations to the Mother Narayani. I do my salutations to the Mother Narayani.